Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take the hairs of the half section from the left side and then fold it upward and fix it. Now make the plaits on the right side section of the hairs and pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit. Now fold it upward and fix it like this and then put some beautiful clips and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs or just keeping few sections in the front and tie all the hairs on the back and make the plaits on it. After making the plaits, we will take the hairs from the sides like this, comb it properly, fold it like this and then fix it as shown in the video. Roll it carefully and fix it on the top. Now make the plaits and fix it like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Now take half section of the hairs and fix it on the right side. Now make the plaits on the rest of the hairs. After making the plaits, fold it like this upward and rotate it using the hairstyling tool. Rotate it and keep it like this. Fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it like this. After rotating the hairs, make the plaits in the sides of the hairs as shown in the video. Now take it like this and fix it till the end. Now join it on the back together. Fix it using the rubber band. Now take another small section of the hairs, join it and fix it like this as shown in the video. Tie the hairs in the same manner till the end as we are doing here. And fix it at the end like this and your hairstyle is almost ready. Don't forget to fold it upward and fix it like this. Take the hairs like this and tie it on the back using the rubber band and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, take the hairs from the sides, fold it upward and fix it using the hairpins. Now take the right section of the hairs, fold it upward and fix it like this. Tie it by rolling it and fix it on the side and it's ready. Take the hairs like this from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, take half section of the hairs, fold it and fix it on the right side. Now take half section of the hairs from the right side, roll it and then fix it on the top like this. Fold it one by one and fix it like this and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it like this. After rotating the hairs, take half section of the hairs, fold it on the right side. Now take all the section of the hairs of the right side and fold it like this. Roll it to make a flower like shape or just roll it and fix it on the back like this and then fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs on the back and then tie it. Now take half section of the hairs and fix it on the alternative sides. Now make the plaits on all the hairs together like this. After making the plaits, we will fold it upward and fix it like this. Roll it and fix it on the right side like this and it's ready. Tie the hairs like this and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix it as shown in the video. Tie the hairs in the small sections like this, divide it from the between and then rotate it like this. After rotating it, rotate the hairs upward and fix it. Now make the plaits on all the hairs and again rotate it like this and it's ready. Take the hairs, tie it like this and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix it and then divide the hairs and make the plaits on it as shown in the video. After making the plaits, tie it and fix it by folding it upward like this. Fix it using the hairpins and it's ready. Next, make the ponytail and then rotate the hairs like this. After rotating it, divide the hairs into 3 parts and make the plaits on it. After making the plaits, tie the hairs as we are making. Now after that, we will fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Clutch it like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs like this and tie it and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, fix it by folding it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.